Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn AI programming in Python step by step. Start with a strong foundation in Python programming. Master data types, control flow, and object-oriented principles. Then, explore key libraries like NumPy for numerical operations and Pandas for data manipulation. Simultaneously, begin to understand the basic concepts of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Setting up your development environment, perhaps with Anaconda, will provide a robust platform for your learning journey. Dive into the world of machine learning by understanding its two main branches, supervised and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning involves training models on labeled data, while unsupervised learning finds patterns in unlabeled data. Familiarize yourself with algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, and k-means clustering. Scikit-learn is an indispensable library for implementing these models, offering a wide array of tools for data preprocessing and model evaluation. Progress to deep learning, a powerful subset of machine learning. Understand how neural networks, inspired by the human brain, process information. Explore different architectures like convolutional neural networks for image tasks and recurrent neural networks for sequential data. Libraries such as TensorFlow and PyTorch are industry standards for constructing and training these complex models. Begin by building simple networks and gradually move towards more intricate designs, perhaps even using pre-trained models. The best way to solidify your knowledge is through practical application. Start with small, manageable projects, perhaps predicting house prices or classifying images. Participate in online coding challenges to test your skills against others. Consider contributing to open-source AI projects to collaborate with experienced developers and learn best practices. Remember, the field of AI is constantly evolving, so continuous learning and experimentation are crucial for staying current and proficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.